How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center, and this is a weekly mortgage update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So in terms of mortgage rates, the 5-year fixed rate is in around 3.09 to 2.99 to 3.19, just depending on the situation and the lender. There's also 4-year fixed rates that tend to have a little bit more flexibility in the mortgage, which are also around 2.99%, and a variable rate is in around 2.9%. And I also just wanted to touch on closing dates, which is the day you take possession of your house. So if you're looking at buying a house in the next little while, if you're planning on having a closing date in June or July, just keep in mind the busiest closing days for banks and lenders of the year is the end of June and the end of July. So I believe that June 28th and 29th this year are a Thursday and Friday. So those will tend to be the busiest closing dates of the year for some lenders. And the end of July as well. I believe it's July 30th and July 31st is a Monday and Tuesday. So it might even be the Friday before that or the Friday of the July 31st week could also be very busy. So for example, one of our lenders had mentioned that they might have 1,000 mortgage closings in one of those days, just to give you an idea of the magnitude of the paper and everything that's involved. So if the closing date has to be on one of those days, I mean, it happens all the time, it's no reason to panic, but if you have the option to do it on a different day, then we might suggest that. You might get the keys a little bit earlier or whatever the case is. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to give us a call. The number at the office here is 905-436-8010. Thanks and have a great day.